let's go over the ingredients. So here we have 1.5 chickens, natural organic chicken. Here we have our chili paste. We have sugar, salt, garlic, shrimp paste. We have half a cup of roasted peanuts. We have 3 cups of our coconut milk, freshly squeezed. We have a video on that. We have 1 onion. We have some rhizome. Put that in the description. We have 2 potatoes and 3 pieces of our carrot. This dried mixture here only has lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, and galanga. And the amount that we used today was 2 cups of the roasted lemongrass, along with 20 pieces of the kaffir lime leaf, and this piece of galanga. So you take all this and you roast it. And then once you roast it, you're going to go ahead and crush it, which we'll show you in the next step. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is take our lemongrass, dried lemongrass mixture with the kaffir lime leaf, galanga, and sarna seed, and we're going to go ahead and crush it in the mortar. As you can see, our mixture is done. Okay, so here we have 4 pieces of our rhizome that my mom chopped up, and we're going to go ahead and crush it in the mortar. And here we're adding our 20 pieces of garlic. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, and galanga mixture. We are going to take our coconut milk and we're going to go ahead and bring it to a pan. We are going to go ahead and condense it down just a little bit. Okay guys, so once our coconut milk has condensed down, we're going to go ahead and add in our chili paste. Here we have about 2 tablespoons of the chili paste. And here we have our mixture from earlier that we had in the mortar and pestle. So we're going to go ahead and add that into the pot. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add in about 6 teaspoons of our shrimp paste. After our shrimp paste, we're going to go ahead and add in our 2 tablespoons of sugar. And to that, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of salt. But okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken.
Butter.
So it's been a couple minutes now, so let's go ahead and take a look. Look at that. Okay, so let's cover it back up. Okay, so at this point in time, we're going to go ahead and add in some water. And this water has some of the coconut juices or coconut milk in it. My mom squeezed the coconut meat a couple more times. So this is what she's going to add right now. Now you can just use regular water if you want to. If you're making your own fresh coconut milk, you could squeeze the coconut meat more than once and just get more of the coconut milk out of it, which is what my mom did here. So we're gonna go ahead and add in some more water. Okay, so we have been boiling the chicken for about an hour now. As you can see, the water condensed down a good amount. So we're gonna go ahead and add in our vegetables. First, we're gonna go ahead and add in our carrots. Later, we'll add in our potatoes. So we're gonna let this boil for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll add in our potatoes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add in our potatoes. And we're gonna let this cook, so we're gonna go ahead and cover it back up. Okay, so our somlor is almost done. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in the last few ingredients. First, we're gonna go ahead and add in our peanuts from earlier, which we crushed in a mortar and pestle. And we're gonna go ahead and add in our sliced onion. Also, we have some leftover coconut milk that we're gonna go ahead and add in. And that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and cook down the onions just a little bit, and we would be ready to eat. Our curry is done, and today we're eating it with noodles. You can also eat it with rice if you want to. So let's go ahead and put our curry on top.
Okay.
And we have some things on the side like shredded papaya that you can add in if you want to. It really soaks up the soup. We have some bean sprouts. We have some chopped up cucumber. You can add anything you like. And that's pretty much it. And there goes our curry with noodles. So let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and give it a taste test. You could really taste the coconut. All the fresh ingredients that my mom used. Kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass. Here goes a piece of potato. Here we have a wing. I think it's a wing. The papaya noodles, they really soak up the flavors. This is real great. The flavors are really bold, flavorful. It's not spicy at all with that red chili paste. This does have a similar taste to the beef one, but it does have its differences. The potato and the carrots make it really hearty. Okay guys, so that's my mom's salakri Sach Moan. Try it. You can try it with the American chicken that you get at the American store if you want to. It just becomes too tender and the meat starts falling apart off on the bones. That's why we use the natural organic chicken, so that way the meat stays on the bone. That's the one great thing about the natural organic chicken. You know, you can actually interact with your food, bite it, pick it off the bones and so forth. So the flavors are great. It's, you know, what can you expect from making everything from scratch? Nothing was from a can. So if you're brave enough to try it, make it the way my mom makes it and see how you like it compared to the canned version of everything. So hope you guys give this a try soon and enjoy. Thank you for watching.